Let's try this a second time. So what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechFund Solutions. This is my second try on today's live stream. So I wanted to showcase one of my trades for today. So first, I want to apologize if the delay is bad or the overall video quality is bad. I do want to apologize. I'm here visiting my family in California. I'm from Arizona. So if you've never watched any of my YouTube videos, I have over 85,000 members within my free networking platform. So if you like surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, then that is the third link in the description. And then altogether, we have a little bit over, I think, 118,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. So thank you guys again for that. It's been a pretty solid, amazing start. I know. Ricky, what's going on with your hair? Guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have cracked up. All right, I have to wake, well, I don't have, but for the Learn Plan Profit group, I wake up every single day at market open at 6:30, right, is the time that I have to wake up here in California. I feel sorry for all of you guys in Arizona at 7:30 and stuff like that, but let me go ahead and talk about my profits for today. I was joining the Learn Plan Profit group, and we were in our morning call, and I called out ticker symbol Gush. I've talked about it. If you watch any of my previous videos, it's one that I've been talking about for quite some time. And yeah, let me go ahead and showcase one of my trades with that. So I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. I want to apologize for all those that tuned in to my live stream like 5-10 minutes ago. I know the quality was super bad, so I'm actually hotspotting off of my phone now. But I'm actually in JDST as of now, and wow, okay. So I'm actually up right now. I'm up $213. Let me show you guys my position on Gush real quick. So Gush, if you guys can see right here, $642. So not a bad day, right? And it's actually, I sold before it hit highs, before it broke above $21. I saw it building a resistance, a lot of consolidation. I bought in at a little bit below $20 when I averaged down, and it was all intraday. It was all within a couple minutes, and it was amazing. I was within the Learn Plan Profit group. We called it out. Why did we call it out? We've talked about this one time after time. So if you do a 180-day analysis, you can see that Gush is showing signs of a potential reversal, but it oversold, right? The support is at $20. I identified that pattern. I saw that there was an intraday opportunity, so all within one day, it sold off to lows of $20, and I saw that potential. I saw previous highs yesterday of 2140. So if you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, or if you're part of the TechBud Solutions group, you would have seen that this was my call out. From the support at $20, we wanted there to be a sign of an uptrend pattern. Got that confirmation. Boom, $20. Hit highs of $21. Although that 2140 was my goal, just because it's my goal, I'm not going to be greedy, right? I saw that, it was obviously telling me, you see how there's a lot of consolidation happening there? It was obviously telling me that there was a resistance at $21. I didn't want to be greedy. I was up over $600. I locked it in. Great. Yes, I did miss out on a little bit more, but then I saw some potential on JDST. So JDST is showing signs of a potential uptrend pattern, and that's why I chose to take a position. Realistically, I should have gotten in. I should have waited a little bit longer, and the reason why was because of, so there's a resistance at 57.50, and I think I just missed out on my exit because I'm in this live stream, G Willikers. All right. But yeah, not bad. So I'm up, I guess, if you do the math, yeah, up over $800 on the day, right, with my 642 and then the 162 as of now. But I haven't locked it in. I think I should be able to close this position a little bit over $250, putting me a little bit over $850 on the day. So not a bad day. Yesterday, let me go ahead and show you guys my screenshot. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I think that this thing might still be public. This was my position on JNUC, $3,100 for my overall position on JNUC. So definitely not a bad start to the month, right? Being up over $3,000 the first day of March, and then the second day of March as of today, Friday, being up almost $1,000, right? $850 or whatever it is that you want to call it. Let's just say as of now it's $600. That's still amazing. Almost $4,000 profit just within the first 2 days. How did I do this? Am I a magician? I have still not taken one red trade this entire year. Am I amazing? No. I look at patterns. I'm very conservative, and I always lock in profits. Boom, there we go. It looks like it's just about to break above 57.50. Let's see, I'm actually going to lower. Do you guys see this top view up right here? That's going to most likely act as a resistance. I do see some swing trade potential, and I'll talk to you guys about that during our Sunday Stock Talk. It's when our group comes together every single Sunday and talks about the top patterns that they see value in. But I'm actually going to lower my limit order, and I'm going to, let's put it right there. Do you see why? red here, resistance, red here, resistance. I'm just going to send that in and see if I get filled. But up over $250 on the day as of now. And let's see if we get filled. If we don't, then it doesn't really matter. But again, it's all about taking action, being able to identify these patterns intraday if you don't see some swing trade potential. And what do I mean by that is, big picture on the 180-day chart with the 4-hour candles, I could still see that some of these stocks or ETFs that I'm trading are still trending below the 180-day EMA. And because of that, I don't feel comfortable swing trading it, and that's why I just take these day trade positions. They make sense to me, they make me money, and overall, big picture, I understand the pattern and I understand the risk involved. And that's exactly what we teach within the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library and within TechBud Solutions. So I want to see what it is that you guys have to say. And what are those green numbers on the right? Right. I've only seen red. Well, so it's these, right? I hope that's what you're talking about. Well, I'm really sorry that all you've seen are red. So realistically, all it is that I tried to focus on, let's see if I get filled. All it is that I really tried to focus on is consistent patterns. If you guys see, like, even my past videos in the past 2 to 3 months, you guys might get very annoyed if that with, like, the videos that I make, because they're so repetitive in the stocks and ETFs that I trade. Guys, if it makes me money, then I'm going to continue to invest in that. And that's, it's not always about trading the top quality, stock or anything like that. It's whatever makes the most sense to you. And that's all I'm here to remind you. Make sure that you cover profits. Make sure that you don't invest based on other people's opinion. Make sure that you always have a plan when investing. Boom, money. $291. That's pretty beast. And watch, it's gonna shoot up, right? I'm just kidding, but it's probably gonna continue to. I always sell way too early. That's always, something that I've been known for. I'm pretty conservative, but realistically, guys, $291 in what is that? Maybe like 30 minutes or an hour of trading for this specific position, and then my other position on Gush. Right, being up a little bit over the $642. That's almost right. Yeah, that's almost $1,000 on the day. Did I do anything special? Am I like, no, nothing. I understand patterns, and that's all I see value in. The reason that I call this one out, right, and the reason that I'm selling at this price point is if you look at /GC, which are gold-based futures, you can see that this one's actually actively trending up, and I really don't want to hold it. Like, it's trending down as of now, and that's why I saw this push to be possible. I'm going to close the active trader right now. But one of the things that I'm seeing is that it's actually showing signs of an ascending uptrend. It's holding in between the middle view up and the top view up. That's not something that I want to play against. But intraday, because I saw this opportunity on how overbought it was becoming and this intraday opportunity that I can get in and get out pretty quickly, I took advantage of that opportunity. And it was just that. Nothing special. I'm not anything any better than you guys are. I'm pretty good at identifying patterns, and that's about it. You invest in what you see value in, you don't in what you don't. I'm not here. You guys should never be investing in what I see value in. I'm not going to be investing in what you guys tell me to invest in. We're not here to spoon feed one another. We're here to get one another in the right direction. So yo, Ricky, hook us up with a $50 or more coupon for LPP. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted first before we get into that. So he's talking about our private group. That's the first link in the description. But realistically, what I want to remind you guys is, even if I'm catching you guys at the beginning stages and you're really interested in learning how to invest in the stock market, but you're like, is it still going up? It is still going up. So JDST right now is at 57.85. It just hit the top view up. That's great. Realistically, I sold where I felt comfortable, and I'm just going to walk away from that. I can actually see it while I'm talking to you guys. That's more money from my Canes account. But what I just want to remind you guys is, like, if you're really interested in learning how to invest in the stock market, look, first of all, I do offer a private group. That's great and all. Do I encourage every single new member to, that's just getting started investing in the stock market to join our private group? No, not necessarily. What I want you guys to first do, especially if you're within the United States, is open a paper trading simulation trading account. I think we could all agree on that. Don't invest real money. Learn the mechanics and test the waters with no monetary risk. TD Ameritrade, Google it, paper trading account, or just paper trading account, simulation trading account, wherever it is that you are. Open a fake account trade with fake money, but you'll gain real experience. Treat it like if it is real money. And when it comes down to overall understanding of what it is that you're investing in, we have a bunch of free videos on YouTube. Become familiar, and there's not only just my videos, but there's so many content. There's so much content out there. Now, the only reason that I sometimes I encourage people to participate or enroll in my Learn Plan Profit lesson library, time is money, and it took me about 6 years to get where I am today, right? YouTube videos are very effective, but they also don't get straight to the point. And also, you don't get to speak to these individuals on a daily basis as you might want to. So that's why I provide this private group. I speak to this group every single day at Market Open for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes every single day. I talk about the stocks that I'm seeing value in. They talk about the stocks that they see value in. I'm not telling them where to buy. They're not telling me anything like that. It's just about, being there for one another and me making sure that I hold you accountable for everything it is that you do. And that's what I want to make sure that you guys all understand. If you feel like you like my trading style, if you find my style of investing, appropriate and effective, then invest 45 seconds of your life and click that first link in the description. That's it. If you don't, and you might not just be there, who cares? Like, watch YouTube videos, start taking action, use the free programs out there. We have a free community that's TechBets. That's the third link in the description. Over 85,000 members. So it's one of the comments right now that you guys see is you make this look so easy. It is. It's very easy when you filter out all the BS. And what do I mean by that? There's so many people that try to sell you on stock alerts. So many people that try to sell you on, hey, invest what I'm investing in. I will never tell you what to buy. I will never tell you what to sell. If that's something that you're looking for, 100% please do not purchase my course, because if that's the reason that you're joining, I can tell you right away that it's not going to benefit you. But if you're someone that is willing, my video lesson library, that it's a one-time charge, you'll have access to it for a lifetime, and I continue to update it. I showcase step by step from the very basics, if you're just getting started, to the very mechanics. Trading ETFs, swing trading, day trading, every indicator that you need to know, all the brokerages, all the mechanics, right? Now, after that, you get to join and speak to me every single day and our private group on a daily basis. I ask every single member, the couple thousand members that we have part of LPP, to post their top stock once a week. One stock. Don't be so macro focused. Stay micro focused. Stay focused on the and look at all these people that are commenting right now. This is I want you guys, like, if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, I want you, if you're in the live chat, to give your honest opinion, your honest experience. If you guys are part of the course, then you guys have the affiliate link also. You guys feel free to make a video and share your honest opinion. I want people, because if you guys give your honest opinion, then I can make my course better. Because I know that it's not absolutely perfect, but based on our success rate, I have to say, and I say this with 100% confidence, I think it's one of the most, it has to have one of the highest success rates. It's so rare. It still happens, but it's so rare based on what I've heard for the people within my group, the feedback that I received. I received so many more people telling me that they've experienced green days since they've joined our course than red days, because we're so consistent. I'm not here trying to trade pump and dumps. I'm not here trying to trade what everyone else is trading. I focus on patterns that are growing. I focus on patterns that make sense and that make sense to me. And that's what I teach everyone. So if you're someone that wants to focus on consistent growth, that gets straight to the point, and you want to work with people that are here to guide you in the right direction and not spoon feed you, then again, the first link. So for those that have joined me for the past 13 minutes, until the end of today, I'll activate the promo code. So the promo code, if you guys haven't purchased it already, it's going to be promo code BOOM. So BOOM. Just like when I locked in the profits, boom, you guys will get $40 off. So $40 off, first link in the description. Be sure to enter it. If you guys do use the promo code, I need to remind you guys, it clearly states you do not qualify for a refund, because we have a limited amount of promo codes. So I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. Please read everything. We have a 14-day return policy, as long as you complete less than 20%, and you have access to everything for a lifetime. It's a one-time charge. I clearly post everything that we offer. I'm not here to, I'm not selling alerts, nothing like that. You're gonna have to do work. But if you're someone that really wants to, take action this 2018, I would love to be a part of your success. So that is it. I'm gonna put the promo code again. That is promo code BOOM, and that will save you the $40 off the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. But altogether, guys, regardless of the course, I truly hope that you guys have an amazing weekend. We have kickstarted 2018 March to an amazing start. It's been one of my best starts, right? Up over $4,000 on the month. 2 days. Amazing. Is this always common? No. Of course not. I'm not gonna say that this is always something that I do. I'm completely transparent. This is not something that always happens, but I'm very consistent, and I hope that I can be this catalyst in your success as well. So continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you in your success. And Fidel, you keep saying that I need a haircut. I actually just got a haircut. Gee willikers. I thought my hair looked good. Just kidding. I know it's messy. I need to go take a shower. I'm going to the gym right now. So Vincent, I'm on my way to the gym. I told you I was on my way to the gym, or about to leave about an hour ago. I do apologize. I'll be right there. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you guys again so much for your time. Continue working hard. Continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you in your success. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Be sure to like and subscribe if you guys aren't already. If you can't, then I totally understand. So thank you guys again.